Actually, it's a sand cat. It's nocturnal over the summer, sleeps during the day, and roams around at night. Do you see its thick fur? That helps it cope with very hot and very cold temperatures. No sunburn when it's sunny, and keeps it nice and warm when it's chilly. Jumping jellyfish!
Let's go! The tracks have stopped here.
Huh. I wonder where it's gone.
Hello!
Well, hello to you too, Sullivan. Oh, I see. You were talking to the gerbois. They stay out of the heat by burrowing underground. And it can get all the water it needs just from what it eats. It can live off dry seeds for years.
Bye! Let's see what other desert animals we can find.
I can't see any more tracks, though.
Look!
I think I'll need a closer look at this one. Interesting.
Do you know what it is?
I have no idea.
Desert detectives on the case.
Lead the way, shipmate. Whew, I hope it's not too much further. Whatever it is, it has come a very long way. Ooh, I think we might need to stop for another water break.
I found it!
Where?
Here! It's a dung beetle.